Assalamualaikum everyone, I am Farhana binti Islam. Welcome to my channel Take Codism with Farhana. Today I am going to show you how to set Google Drive in this PC. Okay, so don't further delay, let's go to the video. So first we have to go to Google, and then Google Chrome, and then we have to write Google Drive download and just simply click here. So now simply click here, download drive for desktop, and okay, this is the program part. Start download. It takes some time. I will be back after few minutes later. Okay. So guys, my download is completed. So just click here, open folder. This is there. So double click here. So click yes and okay. I have to reboot it, so I just want to stop my PC and again I will start. Okay, because the problem is I have already installed it before, but for you guys I have deleted it, and so for this reason it is showing me. Okay, no problem. Okay, I'll be back after reboot. So guys, after reboot I am here. So again I am trying. Just double click here. Click yes. Yeah, it is working. So add application short by. Okay, just install. Yeah, it is successfully installed. Okay. So just get started. Sign in. So which account you want to set, it is depend it totally depends on you. So successfully sign in. Okay, so now I want to check it. After a few minutes it will be here. I'm just waiting. Okay, escape, open drive. Yeah, you can see it is appeared here. Okay, so if you click here, so this is my drive, and if you want you can set it from this place, quick access, and I have already pinned it, so I don't need it. So guys, this is the process, and if you like my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Till then, Allah Hafiz.